Hey guys, welcome back to Wall Street Tactical. Today we're looking at the stock OVID. OVID Therapeutics Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company that develops impactful medicines for patients and families with neurological disorders in the United States. The company is developing OV101, a drug candidate which is in phase 3 clinical trials for the treatment of Angelman syndrome in adults and completed phase 2 clinical trials for the treatment of Fragile X syndrome in adolescent and young male adults. It is also developing OV935, a drug candidate which has completed phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of cyclin-dependent Kearns-like 5 deficiency disorder and Dravet syndrome. In addition, the company undertakes research programs that are also based on similar motives. OVID Therapeutics has a collaboration agreement with Takeda Pharmaceutical Company Limited, a license agreement with H. Lundbeck A/S, strategic research collaboration with Columbia University Irving Medical Center, and a license agreement with Angelini Pharma to develop and commercialize OV101 for the treatment of Angelman syndrome in Europe. The company was incorporated in 2014 and is headquartered in New York. The stock currently trades on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange and through brokers such as Webull, IndexCapital.com, TD Ameritrade, and SoFi, all where transactions can be executed for the stock. At the time of this recording, the current price for the stock is US $3.13, but according to Simply Wall Street, the fair value for the stock is US $308.59, leaving for a 99.0% undervaluation. Biotechnology Value Fund /BVF Incorporated is the company with the biggest hedge fund shares in the subject stock, with shares of about 6,631,051. The second major hedge fund holder is Eco R1 Capital, with shares of about 6,082,200. If we head on over to StockTwits, the sentiment and the message volume for the stock both remain unchanged. Over on Twitter at Longshot606 said, quote, OVID, glad I bailed on this one back at $3.80. Good luck to you bulls, but crickets chirping for management and really just disregard for investors left a bad taste in my mouth. Hopefully at some point they will land trials for you guys. And according to writers over at Simply Wall Street, quote, the new target price is 71%, which is above the last closing price of US $3.21. Stock is up 20% over the past year, and the company is forecast to post earnings per share of US $2.01 next year, compared to a net loss per share of US $1.39 last year. By December 30th, 2024, the revenue for the stock is projected to be US $20.240 million per year, but earnings are projected to be negative $30.034 million per year. Now let's take a look at the charts for the company. Over the past 1 month, the stock is in the red, but not by much, and it had a couple hills and valleys throughout. Over the past 6 months, the stock is in the red, and it pretty much has been on a steady-ish decline. And over the past 1 year, the stock has had a couple ups and downs. Overall, it's in the green, but as you can see, it really did peak a while ago. Dr. Jeremy Max Levin has been the Chief Executive Officer of OVID Therapeutics Incorporated since March 2015 and serves as its Executive Director and serves as its President since August 27, 2021. From 1996 to 2000, Dr. Levin has experience in the global pharmaceuticals industry, leading companies and people to develop and commercialize medicines that address compelling medical needs worldwide. He has served as Chairperson and Director at Opthea Limited since October 5, 2020, and he served as Global Head of Strategic Alliances at Novartis Institutes for Biomedical Research Incorporated, a division of Novartis AG from 2002 to 2007. He has practiced internal medicine at university hospitals in England, Switzerland, and South Africa. He has studied at the University of Oxford and the University of Cambridge. So does the company have any major well-known name investors? Well, Takeda Pharmaceutical Company Limited has the largest investment in the subject stock with ownership of about 10.7%. The second and third positions have ownership of 9.42% and 8.60% respectively. The top 25 shareholders own 73.96% of the company. Overall, we have no position in any of the companies mentioned. This video is all general in nature and information is taken from Simply Wall Street. We do not have any sort of recommendation to buy or sell any stock, and we do not take account of your objectives or your financial situation. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Let us know what you thought about our video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Have a great day.